How to connect Page Pilot to Shopify. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to connect Page Pilot to Shopify. So first, you just have to simply open or create an account here in Page Pilot and also with Shopify. So in order for you to connect your Shopify through Page Pilot, what you're going to do here is you just have to simply click Dashboard and you have to click Connect. Okay, Shopify Store Connect. Tap this one and then you will see this. First is your Shopify URL and then Shopify key. And how are we going to get this URL for Shopify and Shopify key? So I'm going to show you how. Go back to your Shopify, and then this time you have to look for your Shopify URL. So you have to click online store or tap this eye icon, and here is your Shopify store URL. You just have to copy this one, Control C, or right click and copy and paste it right here, website URL. Now, second, we have here is Shopify key. So you need to go back to your Shopify. You can go to App Store or you can go to your settings and look for apps and sales channel. So this time you have to go to our settings. Okay, and then here what you're going to do is you have to scroll down till you see this app and sales channels. After that, what you're going to do next is you have to simply click this develop apps. Tap this one, click allow custom app development. Okay, click allow custom app development again. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to click this create an application, app name, let's just say page pilot, app developer, just leave it with your email address. And then after that, click create application. Here you have to look for configuration or configure admin. Now look for configuration and then admin API integration. Here you have to simply type right underscore products and you should see both of this. Okay, you just have to click this right products and then read products. After that, you need to replace this products with themes. So right underscore themes and click both of this again. Now go back, or if you see install application, what you're going to do is you just have to simply click install application here. If you can see it here, then go to configuration and then click install application, tap install again, wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. So this is your Shopify key. What you're going to do is save this token and then copy, go back to your page pilot, and then paste it right here and then tap connect store. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.